Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr.Kay English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bunny.
Today, we will learn 3 small words that change your English fast.
Yes, his, her, and him.
Simple words, big difference. Bunie, do you use these words every day?
Yes, at home, at work, and with friends.
Many learners mix them.
That's normal, but today it will be easy.
We will use 5 simple steps. Please like this video and subscribe to Mr.Kay English Channel.
And comment to practice with us.
Comment question. Write 1 sentence. This is his blank. Use 1 word. Quick test. 3 mistakes. Can you fix them?
She phone, I see he, this is him phone.
Stay to the end. After 5 steps, you will stop these mistakes forever.
Step 1. The one-line rule. Ownership versus object.
Step 1 is the big idea. 1 line. His and her can show ownership. Him is an object word.
One-line rule. His or her plus a noun. Him comes after a verb or after a preposition.
Let's make it very clear. His phone, her phone. These show belongs to. Call him, see him, help him. These show do something to him.
If a noun is right after the word, it is usually his or her. If it is after a verb, it is usually him.
Look at these pairs. His name. I know him. Her bag. I help him. His seat. Sit with him.
Her keys. Talk to him. His coffee. Give it to him.
Now, let's use super simple sentences. This is his book. This is her book. I see him.
His book is new. Her book is old. I call him now.
Common mistakes happen when people use he instead of him or she instead of her.
We will fix that in Step 4 and Step 5.
Role play dialogue 1. Step 1. Hi, Bunie. Who is that man?
That is Tom.
Do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
Is that his backpack?
Yes, it is his backpack.
And that woman?
That is Anna.
Is that her backpack?
Yes, it is her backpack.
Role play dialogue 2. Step 1.
Kay, I found a phone on the table.
Oh no. Is it your phone?
No, it's not my phone.
Is it his phone? The man in the blue jacket?
Maybe. I see him over there.
Let's give it to him.
Yes, we should give it to him.
Repeat after me. Repeat after me. His bag is here.
His bag is here.
Her bag is there.
Her bag is there.
I see him.
I see him.
Step 2. His in real life. Lost and found. Step 2 is HIS. Use HIS when the owner is a male person.
HIS shows it belongs to him.
HIS goes before a noun. His wallet, his keys, his jacket. Let's use a real-life scene. Lost and found.
People lose things every day.
And you can sound very natural with simple lines. Easy examples. Is this his wallet? This is his ID card. His keys are on the floor. His jacket is on the chair.
His name is on it. His phone number is here. His bag is heavy. His glasses are in the case.
Notice the pattern. HIS plus noun. His wallet, his ID, his keys, his jacket.
His name, his phone number, his bag, his glasses.
Now, use these helpful questions. Whose wallet is this? Is it his wallet? What is his name? Where is his seat?
What color is his bag? Is this his phone? Is that his card? Is he here now?
Short answers are great for beginners. Yes, it is his wallet. No, it's not his wallet.
Yes, that is his phone. No, it's not his phone.
Also, you can add I think to be polite. I think it's his jacket.
I think it's his phone.
Role play dialogue 1, step 2. Excuse me, I found this wallet.
Okay, is it his wallet?
I think so. He dropped it.
What is his name?
His name is David.
Let me check. Yes, it says David.
Great. He is near the door.
Okay, let's give it to him.
Yes, please give it to him. Role play dialogue 2, step 2.
Hi, are you looking for something?
Yes, I'm looking for my friend. He lost his keys.
What do his keys look like?
They are small, and his keychain is red.
Oh, I see a red keychain here. Is this his?
Yes, that is his keychain. Those are his keys.
Good. Please take them to him.
Thank you. I will take them to him now. Repeat after me. Step 2. Repeat after me. This is his wallet.
This is his wallet.
His keys are on the table.
His keys are on the table.
Step 3. Her in real life. Work and school.
Step 3 is her. Step 3 is her. Use her when the owner is a female person.
Her plus noun. Her desk. Her notebook. Her schedule.
Let's change the scene. Work and school. In these places, we talk about desks, homework, papers, and schedules.
This makes step 3 feel different from step 2.
Everyday examples. Her desk is near the window. Her laptop is on the desk. Her notebook is open. Her homework is finished.
Her class starts at 9. Her meeting is at 2. Her email is very clear. Her idea is good.
Useful lines you can copy. This is her chair. That is her pen. Her phone is ringing. Her bag is under the table.
Please write her name here. This is her folder. Her answer is correct. Her project is important.
Now, quick questions at work or school. Is this her notebook? Is that her seat? Where is her classroom? What is her last name?
Is her teacher here today? Is her manager in the office? Can you call her name? Can you send her this file?
Good. Her shows ownership. But remember, her can also be an object word. I see her. That is also correct English.
Yes, but today our focus is his, her, him. Step 4 will focus on him. Step 5 will help you choose fast.
Role play dialogue 1. Step 3. Hi, Bunie. Is Miss Lee in the office?
Yes, she is. Her office is on the right.
I have a paper for her.
Okay, put it on her desk, please.
Is this her desk?
Yes, it is her desk.
And is this her laptop?
Yes, that is her laptop. Please do not touch it.
Of course. I will just leave the paper for her. Role play dialogue 2. Step 3.
Kay, do you know Sarah in our class?
Yes, I know her.
I found a notebook. I think it is her notebook.
What is on the cover?
Her name is on it. It says Sarah.
Then it is her notebook.
Great. I will give it to her after class.
Good idea. She will be happy. Repeat after me. Step 3. Repeat after me. This is her notebook.
This is her notebook.
Her desk is here.
Her desk is here. Step 4. Him in real life. After verbs, after prepositions.
Step 4 is him. Him is an object word. It does not show ownership.
Use him after verbs. See him, call him, help him, meet him. Use him after prepositions. With him, to him, for him, about him.
Let's make many easy lines. I see him. I know him. I like him. I help him.
I call him every day. I text him at night. I meet him after work. I sit next to him.
Now with prepositions. I work with him. I talk to him. This gift is for him. I have a question for him.
I heard about him. I go with him. I wait for him. I walk with him.
Here is the common mistake. People say, I see he. Correct, I see him.
People say, I talk to he. Correct, I talk to him.
Another common mistake, this is him phone. Correct, this is his phone.
Great. Ownership uses his or her. Object uses him.
Let's use a phone call scene. It feels real and modern.
And it uses verbs naturally.
Role play dialogue 1. Step 4. Bunie, do you know the new teacher?
Yes, I know him.
Is he nice?
Yes, he's very nice.
I want to ask a question.
Okay, talk to him after class.
I'm a little shy. Can you go with me?
Sure, I will go with you. We can talk to him together.
Thank you. That helps a lot. Role play dialogue 2. Step 4. Hi, Bunie. I can't find my friend.
What's his name?
His name is Mike.
Oh, I know him. I saw him near the café.
Great. Can you call him?
Yes, I will call him now. Hi, Mike. It's Bunie. Kay is looking for you. Okay, I will tell him.
What did he say?
He said, I'm here. Let's meet him outside.
Perfect. Let's go meet him. Repeat after me. Step 4. Repeat after me. I will call him.
I will call him.
Please talk to him.
Please talk to him.
Step 5. Mix and master. Fast choice game plus real role plays.
Step 5 is mix and master. Now you will choose fast, his, her, or him.
Use the one-line rule again. His, her, plus noun. Him after a verb or preposition.
Let's do a fast choice game. Answer fast. Ready?
Ready.
1. This is phone.
His phone.
2. I see blank.
Him.
3. This is blank bag.
Her bag.
4. Please give it to blank.
Him.
5. Blank name is Alex.
His name is Alex.
6. Blank desk is near the door.
Her desk is near the door.
7. I work with blank every day.
Him.
8. I like blank idea.
Her idea.
9. I found blank keys.
His keys.
10. I want to talk to blank.
Him.
Great! That is the skill. Fast and simple. Now, let's use longer real sentences. This is his coffee. This is her tea. Please bring it to him.
His seat is by the window. Her seat is near the wall. I will sit with him today.
At work. His meeting is at 10. Her meeting is at 11. I will join him for the meeting.
His email is short. Her email is detailed. I replied to him this morning.
At school. His homework is on the desk. Her homework is in the folder. The teacher praised him.
His question is simple. Her question is hard. The teacher answered him.
Now let's fix the 3 hook mistakes again. She phone.
Fix. Her phone.
I see he.
Fix. I see him.
This is him phone.
Fix. This is his phone.
Perfect. Now 2 final role plays. Role play dialogue 1, step 5. Café lost phone. Excuse me, did someone lose a phone?
I think so. I saw a woman looking around.
Is this her phone?
Maybe. What color is her case?
The case is pink.
Oh, that sounds like her case. Her phone is usually pink.
Do you know her?
Yes, I know her. She comes here every morning.
Great. Can you call her?
Yes, I will call her now. Hi, I found your phone. Yes, it's here at the café. Okay, see you soon.
Nice. When will she come?
She will come in 5 minutes.
Great. We can give it to her.
Yes, let's give it to her and help her.
Role play dialogue 2, step 5. Jacket and a quick talk.
Kay, look at that jacket on the chair.
I think it is his jacket.
Who?
The man by the door. I saw him sit there.
Okay, let's ask him.
Excuse me, is this your jacket?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you go.
We saw you leave it, so we wanted to help you.
That's very kind. Thank you again.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. Bunie, we used all 3 words.
Yes, his jacket. We saw him. We helped him.
Repeat after me. Repeat after me. This is his jacket.
This is his jacket.
This is her phone.
This is her phone.
I gave it to him.
I gave it to him.
Let's recap the 5 steps. Step 1. One-line rule. His, her plus noun. Him after a verb or preposition. Step 2. Use his for a male owner. His wallet, his keys, his jacket. Step 3. Use her for a female owner. Her desk, her notebook, her homework. Step 4. Use him as the object. See him, call him, talk to him, work with him. Step 5. Mix and master with fast choices and real role plays.
Now it's your turn. Comment one sentence, this is his blank, or this is her blank, or I called him.
Thank you for watching Mr.Kay English Channel.
Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.